Hey, it's Dr. Linda Davis, and today I want to run through going to Morningstar.com to gather financial information. And the company we're going to use is Microsoft. So let me go ahead and navigate to Morningstar. Their site's changed a little bit, so we want to update the video to reflect that. And here's our basic Morningstar header up here. And I will start off, even though they may throw different ads and things you need to exit out of in front of the screen, but just, exit out of those things, those pop-ups. Now, for Microsoft, I'm just going to type in Microsoft. Let it do a search by hitting enter. And there's the one I want, the first one there. And I will try to click on that, but then they may do the pop-ups now. Don't let that bother you. Okay, so it looks like Microsoft initial information came up, and for the Excel sheet I'm having you do, you're not really using the stock prices or anything in this financial analysis. Instead, you're going to take your mouse, and looks a little different than Morningstar's looked in the past, but you still have your same row of tabs here. So you just want to go up to financials, and that will give you the financials for Microsoft for certain years. Now sometimes they update and they take away, like for instance, they've taken away the 2013 financials because they want you to buy their, pay for their subscription. However, you have 2014 to 2018 financials for Microsoft. Their fiscal year ends on June 30th. So you can use these years from 2014 to 2018. Now, also always be aware of the multipliers that they use on this. And we see revenue, that's what you're going to need, and you're also going to need net income. Now the multipliers, it does say BIL next to revenue and BIL next to net income. That means it's going to be in billions, so whatever you see, you've got to think billions. So for instance, 2014 says 86.83. That's 86,830,000,000. All right, so know how to use those multipliers. If we look at 2018 revenue, we're looking at 110.36. That is 110,360,000,000. So know how to read those. And so you'll put these values into an Excel sheet and just follow the instructions that I have included for you to do this so that you can build a nice graph from this information for Microsoft. Thank you for your time.